Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I have better sound. So I thought as celebration we're gonna do OBBY. I played this one a few days ago, but I didn't record it, and I have a new profile. So yeah, so let's get into the game. Thanks for playing with Fearless Plays. In return, we'd like to give you a free Evil Bad one skip. Ooh, bargain! Okay, so here's a little pits thingy and items. There's another arrow, and there's like all this stuff, which I'm not even gonna be reading, because I think I'm just gonna waste my time. So, in case you didn't know, I like to do this jumping hobbies. It looks so fun, and like just straight hobby. It's so fun. And I can like jump and skip all that. Oh, hi there. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and like. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss another video when I post it. Okay. I'm so glad this hobby is not like real life, because I think I would actually fail in real life. But in gaming, I think I would be okay, okay. Just when I wanted to say I haven't died, I actually died. That's awkward. Anyway, let's do it again. Okay. I just want to make sure. Okay, I can't die. No. Because sometimes there is like the stage that you can like, then there's like a thingy that you can die on. Jumping. Ooh, my favorite color combination, blue and black. Okay. Okay. Jump over here. Okay. I don't think the wolves died. No. Okay. That's okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let's jump. 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 Okay. Yes, we did it. Okay. Then I'm gonna like do a little climbing and then a jump. This is not my favorite part because I can like do this. Jump. Taking this one. This one. Just gonna skip that. That. Leah. Leah. And yay. This almost looks like a fidget spinner, but really it isn't. Like just okay. Let's climb. Okay. Come, we can do it. Yay! Okay. This is actually like a little bit cool. Okay, let's do that. Oh, as you can see, I like just earned a badge again. Good. I actually like spent a little bit of money on this on my new profile, but I'm like saving up for a different thing. But I'm gonna do it because I can't stand looking like this. And just in case, this is like, I don't know if it's a glitch, but okay, let me just quickly finish this part. Okay, so you know, like my face was that face thingy, but now look. When I go to face, it won't allow me because then I have to buy it for actual bucks. But I don't like have any Robux in this profile, so I'm like in this profile. I like spend my money mostly on. Oh, I almost died. Okay. Jump on this. Yay! Jump, jump. I know this was like I died like a couple. Okay. Jump, 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 jump. Okay. Let's just jump. Wait, can this kill me? Okay, yeah, it can kill me. You see what I mean? But it's like the stuff that can kill you while you jumping on the plates. Jump, jump, jump. Okay, jump, another jump, another jump. Oh, died. But I like playing in first person in obbies better than like playing in first person in Piggy because they give me a jump scare. Maybe tomorrow I will post another video, depending on what country you live in. It will maybe be the same day. It will be the night I posted, but depends on where you live. Okay, let's jump, jump, jump. Yes. Okay. Now let's jump on the skin tone ish play. Okay, let's do this like this. Jump, jump on here. Wait, did I just die? No, I thought I died, but okay, then you jump on this. Wee. Okay. What do you call the shape now again? The 3D shape. I can't. Terrible at my 3D shape sometimes. Okay. So, but I'm not a fan of pizza. I don't like pizza. I only like if it's tomato sauce. I don't know. I just don't like pizza. Okay. Pizza, I officially hate you. While talking about pizza, I died. And now I'm gonna stop talking about pizza. Yay! Okay, now let's jump, jump, jump. Oh, close. Oh, why didn't I jump? Oh my word. Okay, let's jump. No! I was so close. But I'm gonna have to uh I'm maybe gonna have to do a part one, part two, cause I I really don't have know what I mean. Uh, just quickly finish this before I get distracted. Yes. Okay. So maybe tomorrow I'll do the rest of the obby, but I'm gonna keep it short so it doesn't like come to an hour. Cause yeah, my dog is like ready to finish so he can go outside. It's actually a little bit rainy outside, so he's not actually allowed to go outside when it's raining because we need to smell. And yeah. And don't forget, in Adopt Me, I have this kitty nameless. Please leave a comment down below if you want to name it, and then tell your name, not your actual name. Ugh, not your actual name, like just the name you like. Comments for the kitty, and maybe it will actually be named after your name that you chose for the kitty. Oh, I think this is maybe mud. Ooh, we completed my floor too. That is awesome. What stage are we even at? I don't know. Okay. Please do not kill me. Okay, so if I'm okay, yeah, it's that. Okay. If I'm correct. Ah, I'm so close. Ooh, another one of these. Ah, there's the pizzas, and there's the one that looked like the stage, and there's the lobby thingy. I don't know what you call it. Probably. Okay. I don't like this part. Oh no, there I died. I died, guys. I hate dying. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's. Ooh, it's my favorite colors. Green, blue. My favorite combination. Okay, my favorite combination. Where is it? Wait, where do we go? Wait. Is it gonna wrong way? Okay, let me just die. Sorry if you heard like a little scratch on the door. It's my dog. Like just wants to be free sometimes, and sometimes he just wants to stay inside and be lazy. Like I made like he is lazy every single day. He basically doesn't even he basically doesn't even exercise. But yeah, I'm not gonna complain. Okay. Yeah, it wasn't pink. I do not like pink. And then it's gonna be double pink and then I remember this. So okay. Ugh, yay, it's so cool. I thought I was gonna die. Okay. Oh, and then I died again. I wonder how many floors above us. Before I don't know. Okay, let's try this. Yay! Ooh, and I have another badge. Well, that was an early celebration. Then I'm gonna this. Land. Ooh, the rainbow neons. I like to do this if it's like this. I mean like close, but not that close. Oh man, I died. I don't like purple anymore. Actually, in case you didn't know, purple is my third favorite color, and pastel colors is my number one fave. But I don't like pink. After the separate is pink. Okay, yay! Okay, I'm gonna climb. Yay! I climb. Okay, okay. Ugh. Oh, I died. Okay, let's do. Oh, I died again. I think I maybe had to use my. I think I used my skip on this stage. I can't remember. But in this obby, we're gonna try not to use the skip thingy. I'm not gonna use the skip thing. Come on. Not gonna use this. That was epic! I usually die when that happens. Wait, so no, I can't like go over there? Okay, okay. I like wish there was like a sign. Okay, I'm gonna have to leave this video for almost. Cause yeah, tomorrow I'll maybe post another video. Depends on what I do. Will I stop dying on this? I don't think I came this far, did I? I don't know. Sorry if you hear like a little in the background is my dog. He is like moaning because he hates being because he has like nothing to do here. Yeah, that's right. You heard me. Oh wait, no, I wanted to use that. Okay. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. I'll see you next time. Bye!